Republic Media Network's unrelenting investigation has cracked open the Sushant Singh Rajput death mystery. We are the only channel tonight exposing the truth in the case, and we are unrelenting in our effort. From sting operations that reveal the drug link, financial angle, to exclusive leads that hint at murder, we've set the agenda. Today, as we broadcast 90 days after Sushant was found dead, there are more leads emerging.
As the investigation continues in Mumbai, 3 agencies are probing the truth. The NCB is making more arrests. As chats like these expose how Shovik was at the center of the drug net, Karamjeet has been arrested. Codenames Suryadeep have been exposed.
वीरों में करमजीत यहाँ पर करमजीत यानी कि वो केजे करमजीत यानी कि केजे कुछ बोलना चाहोगे?
The lies are all falling flat. For the first time, a driver who worked with Sushant and examined by the CBI has gone on record.
चक्रवर्ती ने कहा कि केदारनाथ जब सुशांत कर रहे थे तब वो ड्रग लेते।
नहीं तब कोई नहीं, कुछ ड्रग कुछ नहीं लेते थे।
आपको पक्का यकीन है? ध्यान कर लीजिए।
साथ में रहता था, कुछ कभी ड्रग मैं देखा ही नहीं कभी।
क्योंकि रिया कह रही है सुशांत ड्रग लेते थे और वो केदारनाथ के टाइम से
नहीं मेरे टाइम पे कोई ड्रग वर्ग नहीं लेते थे। नहीं मेरे टाइम
आपसे पहले ड्रग ले रहे थे आपको लगता?
नहीं मेरे टाइम पे, मेरे पहले भी, मैं जब से गया मेरे को मालूम है नहीं लेते थे।
आपको ऐसा कभी नहीं लगा वो नशे में है, कोई ड्रग?
कभी नहीं लगा।
रिया से जब पूछा गया कि आप पहले से सुशांत को जानती थी, रिया से जब पूछा गया कि सुशांत कब से ड्रग ले रहे हैं, तो उन्होंने कहा सुशांत मेरे से नहीं, सुशांत केदारनाथ के टाइम से।
नहीं मेरे टाइम पे, केदारनाथ के टाइम पे नहीं लेते थे।
आपको अच्छे से याद है केदारनाथ
में हम लोग साथ में थे, केदारनाथ में, छिछोरे में ड्राइव का भी शूट हुआ, मैनी क्रेजी थी मूवी उनकी, उस पर भी शूट हुआ, तो कोई ड्रग नहीं लेते थे।
Another friend has spoken out, slamming the slander and reveals details unknown.
When I met him as well last time, so he was asking me about the AI. So see, when you talk about AI, and for who doesn't understand what AI is artificial intelligence. It's like if you have an iPhone and when you speak to Siri, that's an AI replying back. So he was trying to build something like that for in a mobile application for the poor people of India who could actually use the AI, because a lot of poor people, they can't spell, they can't write and read and all of these things. So he wanted to do a conversation-based AI app that you could just speak with the mobile application and it will get back to you, so your work, your life, your things would be easy.
Tonight, only one channel is pursuing the truth, and we won't stop until Sushant gets justice. Bureau Report, Republic TV.
That's the story so far this Saturday. I have with us this evening on the show Sardar R.P. Singh of the BJP joining us live from the national capital. Roshan Gary Binder is joining us live from Mumbai. Kapil Sankla, Advocate Supreme Court, live from Delhi today. Chetan Singh, a political analyst, live from the national capital, and Syed Asad Abbas, an analyst, joining us live from Bengaluru. I'd like to start with Roshan Gary Binder. Roshan, every day new facts continue to emerge. I don't know whether you heard the interview of Ravi Srivastava. I'm so sorry. Ravi Srivastava was also there. I'm sorry I missed that out. Okay. Ravi Srivastava was also there. He's a political analyst. Roshan, coming to the point that I was trying to make, one of the drivers who was examined by the CBI, his statement was recorded by the CBI, has gone on record. In fact, he's the first witness who was examined to speak to the media. He says, everything that has come out so far in the PR interviews, etc. He says, I was the driver of Sushant Singh Rajput during Kedarnath when Riya claimed that he used to consume drugs during Kedarnath, etc. He says, I told the CBI the truth because I was driving him back then, and he says that he didn't consume drugs. Not just about drugs. He speaks about the family, the kind of slander, the kind of lies that have been peddled. Truth continues to emerge, but I'll start with this first. Roshan, I want your response to that.
As we all friends, his friends, as in I'm talking about all of us, including Ankita and including Kushal and all of us who have been with him from the beginning days. And I would say Kushal is someone who was there with him till 2019 March, and so was Siddharth Gupta. And Ankita was there till 2000. None of us have ever seen him doing drugs or ever seen him as in to approve the word bipolar, which doesn't ever existed in his life. And also I would like to say the video which was circulating where it was trying to show that, oh, you know, he's in a mentally unstable status and Rhea is talking to him. Those are the videos of the months where you can also see the other side of Sushant, where he was so absolutely active. So it is very clear that she was giving him drugs, and in that situation making the videos. Matlab, she was trying to keep all the proofs and make all the proofs. Means the mind was so, there was so much conspiracy going.
Yes.
And this was going long back. It's not that suddenly it has happened now in the last month or something like that.
Yeah.
And I have also heard, which I came to know just today, that Rhea Chakravarti's dad, who in his college days used to also consume drugs. When he was in AFMC college, he used to have drugs. This was actually told to me by one of his I would say another juniors who was with him. So I think NCB should also find out about that.
I think they're already on it. Roshan, I think they're already on it.
It's in the family.
I think it's already on it, and I think I just want to make one thing clear. I know everyone wants to jump in. Let me tell you this year. 1982, 83, 84 is the year he was in AFMC. Okay.
That is Armed Force Medical
Roshan,
College.
point taken.
So the NCB should
point taken.
through those.
I understand the point.
Yes.
Roshan, point taken. I got your point. But I want to make one small point before I know you want to respond to Abbas.
Yes.
I'm handing it to you, but I just want to make one point. The NCB investigation and the narcotics angle is just one part of the investigation. So please, control your excitement on the NCB angle, because the real CBI investigation and the details that are emerging will come out this week. Okay, you respond and then I'll go to the others. Go ahead, Abbas. You want to respond?
Madam, I heard you very carefully. I'm responding. Yes. So I do consider that you are a very good friend of Sushant Singh Rajput. May Almighty grace his soul. But nevertheless, the point that I'd like to derive here, ma'am, there is a beautiful saying in Latin. There's a Latin proverb which says, "Nec dextrorsum, nec sinistorsum." Neither to the left, neither to the right. One straight path towards investigation. Less speculation, more investigation. You just said that Rhea gave him drugs. Do you have any proof? Were you there? How can you just speculate on somebody? If you're going to character assassinate somebody, you don't have to take somebody high. There needs to be dignity in death, which I do not see. And that is very unfortunate.
Let me just stop you there. Let me stop you there.
Why procuring drugs?
Let me stop you there. One second. This is complete sham. Abbas, pull back. Abbas, pull back. I know. Abbas, pull back. Roshan, pull back. 1 minute. Abbas, please don't give us lectures about who started to slander whom. Okay? Don't give us lectures about who slandered whom. Okay? Okay, there's the driver, Dhirendra, who was examined by the CBI, is also joining us live. Stay with me. Okay, Ravi Srivastava is raising his hands. Ravi, Chetan and Abbas, I want you to listen to the driver who was examined by the CBI. Examined, his statement is on record with the CBI. For the first time on TV, he's coming live. Hear it from Dhirendra. Dhirendra ji, आप सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के ड्राइवर थे, आप केदारनाथ के शूटिंग के टाइम पे और चिचोरे के टाइम पे भी, और आपने बताया सोहेल को कि ये जो क्लेम किया है रिया चक्रवर्ती ने, जो दूसरे चैनल्स में जाके वो जो फ्रेंडली चैनल्स हैं उनके वहाँ पे बोला है कि वो ड्रग्स लेते थे केदारनाथ के टाइम पे, आप उनके ड्राइवर थे तब, तो आप क्या बोलना चाहते हैं रिया जी को और ये जो चैनल जो है जो इसका प्रसार किया है?
सर, मेरे टाइम पे तो कोई ड्रग्स नहीं लेते थे। जब मैं ड्यूटी पे था तो मेरे टाइम पे कोई ड्रग्स नहीं लेते थे, कोई कुछ नहीं था, सब फर्स्ट क्लास था, कोई डिप्रेशन नहीं था, कुछ भी नहीं था जी।
और ये जो फैमिली के ओके, आपने फैमिली के बारे में भी बात की है कि सिस्टर फादर घर आते थे, यू वर द ड्राइवर, सो ऑब्वियसली आपको पता था क्या हो रहा था उस घर में। क्या ये जो चीजें पब्लिक में बोल रहे हैं रिया जी कि फैमिली के साथ टाइज अच्छा नहीं था, आपका रिस्पॉन्स क्या है? आप देखा है इन सबको?
सर मेरे टाइम पे दीदी आती थी, दीदी, और मेरे टाइम पे जीजा जी भी आए थे, डैडी तो नहीं आए थे मेरे टाइम पे।
हाँ।
तो दीदी आई थी, चिचोरी के टाइम पे शूट चल रहा था, तो दीदी का क्या रिलेशन था, जीजा जी थे, बच्चा का कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं था मेरे टाइम पे।
ये जो चीजें आप लाइव टीवी में बोल रहे हैं, आप सीबीआई को भी यही चीजें बोले हैं आपने?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, मेरे टाइम पे मेरे टाइम पे जो था मैं वही बात बोला हूँ सब लोग। मेरे टाइम पे समस्या था, कोई कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, और सर भी डिप्रेशन में नहीं थे, फर्स्ट क्लास थे, वो टेनिस लेवल खेलते थे, स्विमिंग भी करते थे, क्रिकेट खेलते थे, घर में भी टेबल टेनिस खेलते थे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
ओके, एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं, क्या आप ये बता रहे कि रिया का जो क्लेम्स है अभी वो सब झूठ था? वो जो इंटरव्यूज दी थी उन्होंने, सब झूठ था क्या?
अभी मैं जब तक था तो तब तक रिया मेरे टाइम पे नहीं थी। अभी मेरे जाने के बाद रिया आई, तो मेरे टाइम पे वो मालूम नहीं है बात का, पर मेरे टाइम पे तो कुछ ऐसा नहीं था, मेरे टाइम पे रिया नहीं थी।
Okay, I'll let you go at this point. Dhirendra ji, thank you for speaking to Republic TV. That's a fact, Ravi. Ravi was raising his hands. I want to ask Ravi, and then I just saw, Kapil nodding his head. Ravi, why don't you respond? That's somebody who's seen Sushant up close there, contradicting Riya and her claims in interviews. At least 2 claims countered on live TV, and then Kapil can come in. Yeah, go ahead, Ravi.
See, so far I have heard 3 girlfriends, 12 very close friends, 1 gym trainer, 2 ambulance drivers, and host of people who were in the life of Mr. Sushant Singh Rajput.
Yeah,
Now,
they all have one thing to say, Ravi. Ravi, they all have one thing to say.
Allow me. This gentleman says he was a driver to Sushant Singh Rajput. Does anybody take the drugs or does a party in presence of a driver?
I'm sorry, but I don't know whether you know, but drivers know the most.
What kind of credibility he has got? What kind of credibility he has got or for his statement? Will Sushant Singh Rajput or Riya Chakravarti consuming drugs or anything, will they do it in presence of a driver? And what access he has got to their household? I mean, I don't know what kind of speculation the channel is doing. That you are bringing anybody on the camera and saying...
Sir, he was questioned by the CBI, so he's not some Tom, Dick and Harry, Ravi. Ravi, if he was some Tom, Dick and Harry, he wouldn't be... No, 1 second, hold on. If he was any Tom, Dick and Harry, he wouldn't be examined by the CBI. No, I don't understand what your point is. I don't understand what your point is. I don't understand what your point is.
I tell you the point.
Yeah.
What for you
RP Singh wants to respond. RP Singh.
In the month of November 19, what
Mr. Srivastava.
doctors have given
Mr. Srivastava.
over there that he had the problem of taking drugs.
No. RP Singh, please don't give us. No, he started off. No, 1 second. I'll tell you.
As an OPD patient over there.
Stop. First of all.
Sir, it's a fraud. Bringing a
1 second, sir. Ravi Srivastava, 1 second. I want to go across to RP Singh. RP Singh, respond to it, because anybody from Team Riya, this is how they start off. They start off by saying so many, they try to slander Sushant by saying so many ex-partners. Okay, Roshan, I want RP Singh to respond. RP Singh. RP Singh first.
Life, yes, I want to respond. I want to respond about the driver of a celebrity's life, because I can reply to him what he's trying to say, that the driver has nothing to do. You are absolutely wrong.
No, I don't think he has any idea about what drivers, I don't think he doesn't have an idea.
I belong to the industry where the driver plays a major role.
He just displayed his ignorance.
Picks them up from the parties and takes them home.
But driver is a driver.
Yeah, for you a driver is a driver. Let me tell you, Ravi Srivastava. Kapil wants to say something. Kapil. No. Kapil and Abbas. Please, he has no idea what drivers are capable of. Some of the biggest sources are drivers.
That our driver knows
Kapil and Abbas.
Anybody else does.
Ravi, you're a very senior person. Please, you're saying you don't know what drivers are capable of. They know everything that goes on. They're one of the biggest sources. Okay, Kapil and Abbas.
I know this. My driver knows about where I am, even if my clients don't know. If I'm in Supreme Court, my driver will know. If I missed out on a file, my driver will know. If I have to go for a party, my driver will know. He will come and ask me, sir, kitne baje aana hai, kitne baje jana hai. Your driver knows more about your life than probably your family members. Yeah, you're on your
Chetan, let him
phone when
speak.
you're
Chetan, let him
sitting in the
speak.
car. You're discussing.
Chetan, let him speak.
You know,
Chetan, let
it's
him
as
speak.
simple as that. And forget this driver business. You know, I am here to talk about law. Let me just tell you what law is, sir. Let me just tell you about law. You know, what is an admitted fact is this. That we have made certain statements. And those statements are in the nature of confession statements. Now, when she wasn't arrested, she made some statements, said that I am not consuming drugs, but yes, I did procure it for Sushant. She said that, you know, and this was the modus operandi and these were the people involved. Any statement made in NDPS Act by an accused is admissible in court. Sir, let me finish, please. Let me finish. It is admissible under Section 67. Even after she is arrested, if she makes a statement, and that statement is a fresh statement where some new fact comes to the notice of the investigating officer, that fact itself is an admissible fact under the Indian Evidence Act. So you forget everything else. I don't understand what you are saying. The fact here is that the statements made by Riya implicate her and you really do not need anything else.
Chetan, hear him out.
Made under 60 seconds.
Chetan, give him 10 seconds. Chetan, you can respond. I'll give you time to respond.
The agenda is what to attack this particular government.
Yes. So let me just say this. So the driver isn't important. Third parties aren't important. Her own statements implicate her. And all this hullabaloo that I've been seeing in other channels that the quantity was very less, it was 34 gram, it was this and that. It isn't a case of recovery of drugs.
What are you talking about?
So it doesn't come under that. It is a case where she procured drugs from somebody. She had a courier person who was delivering drugs to somebody else. That drug was for consumption of somebody else.
This is a serious matter.
It clearly comes under Section 20.
Exactly.
It comes under Section 27A. It comes under illicit drug.
And Kapil,
you're trying to give your judgment
it is a very
and
serious
justification and judgmental attitude on a national television may not get to work.
Chetan. Kapil, I'll tell you what's happening. I'll tell you what's happening. As a journalist who's also a part of this investigation, because, you know, we are involved in every story that goes, you know, on the channel, right? I'll tell you what's happening. Team Riya is very excited about the drug angle being the focus, but it's not the focus, right? The CBI investigation is the focus. It's the main focus. Narcotics is a small angle. Don't be so excited because this week is going to be crucial. I want Sardar RP Singh to come in. What are we asking Sardar RP Singh? We are saying more facts are coming out. You know, we spoke to a music entrepreneur, someone who knew Sushant from Denmark. He told me today that Sushant was wary. He said to us that Sushant was wary about his technology, about his artificial intelligence technology, his apps, and everything that he was working on. He was scared that people would steal that from him. There is still so much to be investigated.
Niranjan, one point is very clear that this case is not merely a case of narcotic or drugs.
Yeah.
This is still a case of suicide, homicide, or murder. I mean, that is still under investigation, and then we should wait for the final outcome of the case by the CBI. The problem is the channels which don't want us to go that way or doesn't want a conclusion to come on that. They have already said, oh, that part is over now. There's nothing with CBI. CBI nothing to say, or ED has nothing to say. And as if ED and CBI has already given their decision, or they have already filed their report. They have not still filed their report. Let them file the final report. Let's wait for that. And I'm very sure that a lot will still has to come. Why jump a gun? Narcotic is just one part. Chetan, let's understand. Do you also want a justice should come? You also want a final justice should come to Sushant, and justice should come only once the final report comes, not before that.
Absolutely.
RP Singh, I want to ask. Roshan wanted to make a point. Roshan, okay, all of you, one question. I want to ask Ravi Srivastava this question, right? And I want all of you to just calm down, pull back. Syed, Abbas, hold on, calm down. I'll ask you. I'll come to you. Hold on. I want to ask Ravi Srivastava a question. Everyone, listen carefully, right? Ravi Srivastava said something to the effect of 3 ex-girlfriends, 10 drivers, 20 friends, 40 trainers, 50 blah blah blah, right? Let's assume 100 people have spoken in favor of Sushant Singh Rajput with their testimonies, right? Can you please tell me, can you name 5 people who've come on record and spoken about Riya Chakravarti with the conviction that team Sushant Singh Rajput and all his supporters and those who knew him have spoken about. People are watching, Ravi, people are watching, and you are here sitting, fighting against those who are speaking. You're ridiculing, you're not just slandering Sushant, but you're also ridiculing the witnesses being examined by the CBI. Roshan will respond to you. Roshan will respond to you. Roshan and Ravi.
You are asking me a question.
You speak and I want Roshan to respond to you.
First of all, let me tell all these other friends that I do not know what all they do with their drivers, but the driver's job is only to drive the vehicle for a number of hours. Now, as far as your question is concerned, the 100 people you are bringing, they are not credible at all.
Sir, we're not bringing. We have stung many of them. We're not bringing. We have stung many of them.
Whatever
credibility, CBI is also question them. So
under the oath before the magistrate only matters. Speaking or singing songs here on the peons on the camera, that does not make any difference or any relevance to me at all. You bring as many people you wish. I have no issue with that. But their statements are not credible at all unless it is made before a magistrate under section 164.
Name 5 people, Ravi. Name 5 people. Ravi, name 5 people. Ravi, name 5 people.
I can name 1,000
Ravi, name 5 people.
You name 5 people.
Ravi, name 5 people. Ravi, name 5 people.
You have 5 people. Nobody is there.
Ravi, name 5 people. Ravi, name 5 people.
I am not.
Done wrong.
Why should I?
No, please name.
The camera has lied.
Riya has nothing to hide, right? Name 5 people who fought for her. Except for putting up statuses on Instagram and Twitter. Please tell me 5 people who gave testimonies.
That means there is nobody. And what status? What status? That Shivani Dandekar? Where was Shivani Dandekar for last 80 days? Why didn't she come for Riya? Why did she came now when the drug topic came out? Was she sleeping for 80 days? Since 80 days we were talking about Riya. And the whole world told us she's witch hunting, Why didn't
your shouting will not make any addition. You are as
RP and Abbas will take RP and Abbas. RP Singh and Abbas. I want to show something. Roshan, I want to show something. He can't name. Ravi could not name 5 people, right? Hold on. Roshan, Ravi could not name 5 people. I want to show something else. This is exhibit number 3 on the show. RP Singh can come in. RP Singh can come in. This is exhibit number 3 on the show, right? RP, I'm just tossing to you. I'm showing the drug chats of Shovik. Based on which 20 peddlers have been arrested. And it now appears from his drug chats that he was central to even the drugs angle that they are trying to claim as a big victory. He was central to the peddling racket. I want to play that and I want RP Singh to speak and Abbas will respond. RP Singh, go ahead. I'm going to play those chats. As we speak. It's a text chat. You can speak over them. Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay. Let's be very clear. Ravi Srivastava, to your point, if you want, I'll tell you the complete history of yours from your driver. You should not be so ignorant about that. Driver doesn't know, driver doesn't speak. Your driver will know everything, what you do, what you don't do. And then if you want to do a test on this, give me your name, give me your driver's name and telephone number. I'll get you the complete district or I'll mail it to you. But coming point to this point, sir, this is very clear. I mean, drug is a small part. The bigger issue and the relevant issue can answer. Let me complete. Sorry, sir. The relevant part is we still have to come to know that whether it's suicide, homicide, or a murder. And everyone is jumping the gun. Oh, the case is over. The matter is finished. Sir, I'm saying again, it's not over. Let CBI file the final report. And thereafter, we should speak what we do speak. Okay. Either way, we can speak against the report of the CBI or we can speak in favor of CBI report. But CBI still has to conclude.
All right. RP Singh Saab, could I reply to you, sir?
Yeah, quickly, please. Abbas.
Niranjan, can I reply, please? Okay.
Quickly, no time here.
It's very interesting to know that how well. क्विक आ रहे आरपी सिंह को इतना टाइम हमें शुरू करे तो ऐसा भाई 30 सेकंड दे दो आरपी सिंह साहब यू स्पीक सो वेल अबाउट द ड्राइवर एंड हाउ मच ही नोज लेट मी आस्क यू क्वेश्चन पॉइंट ब्लैंक डायरेक्ट सर वुड यू डू ड्रग्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर ड्राइवर टेल मी
It's not an issue of doing drug or not, but driver will know what all do I do.
Abbas, let me. No, I'm sorry, it's very juvenile argument.
How will the driver? How will Sushant?
No. 1 second. No. I'll tell you.
Drugs or not?
No.
Driver.
How will RP Singh? Listen, 1 second. First of all, Abbas.
Absolutely not, sir.
Abbas.
Would you?
Listen, let me say something. Let me say something, right?
If you think driver is so close, so that does not mean Sushant would do the same.
All panelists on the screen. All panelists on the screen. I want to make 1 point. I want to make 1 point.
The issue is you are maligning a person after his death.
No.
Whatever.
One point.
So,
RP.
You are maligning Riya. Is that okay?
Okay, hold on.
You are maligning Riya is okay.
No, hold on. I'll make one small point. Abbas, pull back.
You cannot carry.
Abbas, pull back. RP Singh, I want to make 1 point. Hold on. I'll tell you. Pull back. I'll make 1 point. Right? Everybody remembers the Sheena Bora murder case? Vivek will know. Yeah. Kapil will know. Ravi will know. Everybody knows, right? What was the role of the driver there? No. I'm not making comparisons. What was the role of the driver there? What was the role of the driver there? Do you know that some of the biggest sources for reporters, for journalists are drivers? Please don't give juvenile arguments that how will driver know that somebody is taking drugs or not. Yes. For God's sake, please, for God's sake, come up with better arguments. You can't name 5 people who backed Riya. You can't name, and you're saying drivers know nothing. What are you talking about? I want Kapil to make the last point. Kapil to make the last point, and then Chetan have to take a short break. Okay, Kapil and Chetan. Kapil and Chetan.
Valid point.
Kapil and Chetan.
Yes, you said something very valid that let us not sidetrack the issue. Drugs is a very small part of it. Let us always remember it is a case under Section 306, abetment to suicide. And abetment means that if you facilitate anything, if you knew that even if he had a mental condition and you're supplying drugs to him knowing that he's going to mess up with his brain.
Exactly, this is my point. There are 3 angles to it, whether it's a murder, suicide or an abetment to suicide. At the abetment to murder, at the same given point of time, we need to understand that the entire nation wants to know the truth, but not like this. You look at this underlying agenda. RP Singh Saab has got an underlying agenda. His party's got an underlying agenda is to attack this particular government. And the attacking the government, we know the series of attacks which has already taken place. Kangana Ranaut has come up, Kashmiri Pandit have come up, Ram Mandir has come up in this between. What not Kangana Ranaut has said? And look at the kind of statement they have made it to the Chief Minister. Is this going to be accepted?
1 second. Okay, I think everyone's sidetracking from the issue.
What are the Shiv Sainik doing there?
Let's come back to 3. Let's talk about abetment to suicide. I think
no, tell me. I'm asking you point blank. I'm asking you straightforward question. See, attacking this particular government, especially the sitting chief minister, using this kind of foul language against the sitting chief minister.
How are we talking? Okay, 1 second. Chetan, please don't divert. Chetan, don't divert because you couldn't name 5 people you couldn't name 5 people and then you're questioning the driver. Now you're talking about Kangana. I'm not talking about Kangana. Why are we talking about Kangana for God's sake?
No, it is not a question of 5 people. You are diverting this entire.
Who's diverting? We are talking about the facts that are emerging in the case. For God's sake, I have to take a
question of 5 people. We should not get into the whataboutery.
I think that's
not getting into the whataboutery.
Okay.
This is not work like this. 3 esteem agencies are working. Let the esteem agencies do their job. You cannot only bank upon the statements of the driver at this point of time. Let the agencies do their job. They are perfect.
Yes, let them do their job. Why are you concluding the case?
They've already handled the high cases like this. We must have Mumbai police has been cooperating with the agencies with their soul and heart, and you know that Mumbai police is one of the most professional police. But
and I'll tell you. One last point.
Out of 11 states where the election has taken place.
Chetan. Okay, we'll let the investigative. We'll let the agencies do their job, right? I want to make one last point. No. Let the agencies do their job. Let them do their job. RP. Let them do their job. I want to make one last point because I have to go to the next debate. Just hear me out. Just one small point. Please hear me out. Chetan, all of you spoke over each other. Okay, great, fantastic, right? Everyone's made their point. Let me make one small point, and let me make one small point, right? Republic TV's Anuj, Yashpaljit Singh, and Ola driver, the driver in whose car they were traveling to do the story, are spending the 4th night in jail. because Republic TV's investigation has upset the government of Maharashtra. While the Shiv Sena goons who attacked the veteran have been granted bail, okay? I wanted to make this last point. Just think of that, right? Just think of that, and I'll leave it on that, because the reason why we are doing this investigation is because we promised to go all out and ensure that the truth is out, and the truth is not out. There is an attempt to divert the entire issue. So we will continue to do our job. But just spare a thought for Anuj, who's spending the 4th night in jail. On that note, I'll take a short break. We're debating the story of the veteran who was attacked next. Thank you for joining us. Thank you.